Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For the month of November, the theme is Diwali. Diwali is an Indian festival, commonly known as Festival of Lights. Diwali symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. It is the one festival where everybody get together to decorate their houses with diyas and flowers. They feast on sweets together and they also give gifts to each other. And not to forget, we do a lot of shopping for the auspicious day. The color palette for this month will be orange and red, symbolizing the color of the diya and the light itself. This month, I added an affirmations spread. To decorate the spread, I drew a wire of lightings around it. Affirmations are not just words, phrases, or sentences that you tell yourself strongly to provoke positive thoughts. More than telling these thoughts, it is very important to envision them. Only when you start feeling these sentences, you will really feel positive about yourself. During this festival, we also put rangolis outside our house doors and gates. Rangoli is an Indian art form in which patterns are created on the floor or the ground using materials like colored powder or flowers. Inspired by a peacock rangoli on Pinterest, I decided to do that for my mood trackers. Having a mood tracker helped me to understand my emotions at the end of the day. But after I came back in a month to review this section, I wouldn't remember what happened that particular day. And that's why I added a small box to track my emotional patterns. Women love to put mehendis during this festival. Mehndi is a form of body art which originated in India. Decorative designs are created on a person's body using a paste, and this paste is created from the powdered dry leaves of the henna plant. This month, in my habit tracker, I added the habits that I need to do under my 75 Hard Challenge. 75 Hard Challenge has 5 rules. Work out twice in a day and one workout has to be outside. I chose walks for this workout that I need to do outside. Drink 3.75 liters of water in a day. Read at least 10 pages of a non fiction book. Take progress pictures every day. The fifth one being following a diet of your choice. I've been trying intermittent fasting for some time now, and that's why I added the habit of having my dinner before 7 p.m. All of these habits has to be done every day before 11 p.m. for 75 days. If you miss even one day without doing any one habit, you have to start all over again and finish 75 days. For the monthly log, mental inventory, and action plan spreads, I wanted to keep it very simple and minimalistic because this is where I plan my content and plan my action plans for my goals. That's why I just colored the headings, and on the bottom corner of the pages, I drew doodles of diyas. For my monthly log, I divide it into two sections. In the box, I plan out my Instagram content, reels, and schedule them. In the left corner, I plan my YouTube videos, which helps me to time block when I'm supposed to post the video, shoot, or edit it. I also note events and assignments or examination dates on the left section. Under the mental inventory section, I clear out my head and write down all the tasks that I want to do in that month. And then I categorize these tasks into three different goals and write them under my action plans. This practice really helps me in organizing my goals. For my weekly spread, I drew a set of flowers on the vertical corners of the spread. I divide my weekly spread into four sections. The first one being focus on goals. Using the action plans spread, I pick out tasks that I want to finish off in the week and I write them here. I have a section called lessons learned where I write down the lesson that I've learned every single day. And I have an events section to write down important notes from meetings or assignments or any event with anyone. I don't draw boxes for my to-do lists beforehand, as in when I finish the task list for that day, I draw a box around it. It's now the time for a flip through. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please do like, comment and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.